The Summer Infant Learn to Sit seat gives babies extra support during that wobbly transition from reclining to independent sitting so they can look around and interact more comfortably. Its 3 adjustable positions, including a gentle recline and 2 more upright angles, let you fine-tune the seat as your baby gains head and core strength. The cushioned insert and 3-point harness feels secure and snug without looking bulky, which helps nervous caregivers feel more at ease during early sitting practice. A removable tray and pair of simple, engaging toys, including a textured teether and a rattling ball, keep little hands busy and make this seat useful for both playtime and quick snacks. The whole seat folds down flat, making it surprisingly easy to tuck behind a sofa or bring along to grandparents' houses and other outings. Parents who deal with frequent spills will appreciate that the soft fabric cover pops off quickly and can go straight into the washing machine for straightforward cleanup.